Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a new printable called Sweet Tooth, designed by Decorate Your Life. And it has 8 pages. There's no add-ons. It is included in her Valentine's Day sale that ends on February 14th, 2022. Now, I will link my affiliate link down below along with the link to her shop. So let's get this show on the road, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful kit. Okay, we have this one here that has a blue background, and we have pretzels with chocolate pretzels with some strawberry icing on it, or you know. And then we have with sprinkles, we have the cookie, we have a cupcake, we even have them with the little uh, pearls on it. Let me see if I can find one right there. It's one with the pearls. We have this here, we have the beads here, we have this cute top and bottom border, which I like. And then here we have the little house that has a tree with some flowers blooming. Here is the pearl heart that's coming out the chimney. And we have some of these little goodies here with sprinkles all over the place. We have a heart on the door and tulips in the window box there. And then we have this one. Look at the texture in the background on this one, but it is literally smooth. You can see the same border as the one before without the arrows. We got all the cookies at the top with the bows on it. We got our pearl heart here. Our heart with the little bitty pearls on it and the bow. We got the word love down here. So here, again, we have a light textured background, but you know, this is the way it's designed. We have that same border minus the arrows with the cookies at the top. We got some little baskets with beads and bows. And then we have the candy or cookies here. And the bows on the lollipop sticks or whatever you want to call them. Now, this is another one of my favorite pages. You got all the hearts, a variety. You got that same top border. You have a cupcake over here with some heart lollipops in it with sprinkles. And a bow on the cupcake paper liner. Now here we have gingham. And we have the same border here. And we have the 3 hearts with some stars and bows. Now here we have a little gingerbread house. So then we got an upside down cake here. We have a cupcake over here. We have a little picket fence with beads and hearts on it. We have a little pearl cake pop here. We have some cotton here. We have a heart over here, sprinkles on the roof. I love this one too. So, and last but not least, we got this one with the blue background and the little bitty balls that are like a grayish black and a pinkish white. Guys, y'all have to go get this kit. And she has reasonable prices on her kits. So, you know, go and get it while you got a chance to. I'm telling you. I'm going to fan this out for you guys so y'all can see all the gorgeous pages in this kit. Okay. Let me make sure I have them all. Uh-oh. There's one that doesn't want to seem to come out of its shell here. And I can't seem to find it. But this is most of the pages here. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Remember, you're always where everything is made with love in every stitch. Please be kind, be creative, be blessed, be safe, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now. Don't forget to hit the sale now.